For the purpose of those that are just joining, I will have to repeat what I said earlier. For the purpose of those that are just joining, I said earlier that if you check the guide that was being posted today, we have Emmanuel, please mute yourself. For the purpose of the people that's just joining, I have to repeat what I just said earlier. The guide that was being sent today, there is a Google document there. So that Google document has everything you need for this particular data analysis on Excel for this week. Just like I told you, this week you are going to handle data analysis on Excel. Next week you're going to go into data analysis using Microsoft Power BI. So in the Google document, if you check the first page talks about framing a problem. When you get your data to analyze, you don't just start analyzing. You have to understand what you're analyzing. You have to understand why you are analyzing this and the probable solutions that you're going to provide. So that's why you have to frame the problem. So it is expected that each and every one of you, it is expected that everyone will interact in the framing of this problem in the group chat. I already gave some insight in that Google Doc where you can find how to frame a problem or understand better how a problem is being framed. But framing a problem is more of a subjective something. So I expect an interaction in the group chat because this bootcamp alone is not there to equip you with the technical skill that you need. It also has to equip you with the soft skill that you need to be able to work with clients as a freelance and also work in an organization. So you have to garner all the soft skills that you need as much as possible. So the first page talks about framing the problem. So you have to go through it. I also had to leave a note there where I say that you all are meant to participate and also interact in the group chat. Then again, I also made mention of the data consolidation part. I don't think there will be any problem for that because it is well explained in the guide, and also the processes that you have to take has already been there for you. But in the tax part of that Google Documents, if you go to that Google Doc, you see that there is a tax for you. You see that there is a tax for you to do. So in that tax, I actually manipulated it to suit this bootcamp. So most just for you to get the tax very well, just follow the instructions on the Google Doc and also check the YouTube videos that I sent. So we are actually going to understand it very, very well. You're actually going to understand it very well. So I expect you all to keep up the interactions. Any problem you have, ask questions. If you have answers to the question, you provide answer. That's how we learn. That's how we learn and co-learn in a group. So I always make mention for all of you guys to take advantage of this, take a great advantage of this, and also attach value to whatever you are doing. Attach value to whatever you are doing. Most resources like this don't come by very easily, and here you are, you have it so easily. So you have to actually take advantage of it. So for the people that just joined, I don't know if you guys have any questions once more before I move on. Any questions so far? Okay. Okay. So since there are no questions, uh, at the end of the week, which is on Saturday, at the end of the week, which is on Saturday, it is expected that every participant are going to pull up what they have learned throughout the week and post in any of their social media that they are conversant with. be it LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, anyone. And then for those that are on LinkedIn, you can tag me, and those that are on Twitter, you can also tag me because this is a platform that I'm always available in. Then again, those that are on LinkedIn, yeah, I've said you can actually tag me. This is an opportunity for you to build in public. As you build in public, people will see your learning journey. Recruiters will get to you through that. And I'm not just saying this because I want to say it, I'm saying it from experience. So just uh pull up your post on Saturday. I need to see your post on Saturday. If you upload it, send in the link in the group chat so that I can retweet it and also reshare it for wider reach. So maybe one or two recruiters on uh, my network can also see it, and then so you have to just put in your best in this, put in your very best in this. So on Saturday, it's expected that you all have to finish this particular task on data analysis on Excel, and also create your dashboard and upload it to your GitHub, and then send in the link to yes, upload the link to your social media, the dashboard to your social media, any of them, maybe LinkedIn, Twitter, and also send me your Twitter link or your LinkedIn link of that post in the group chat so that I can reshare. Why do that? You can always tag me. You can always tag me. But most importantly, for me to know that you've actually shared your work online, you have to send in the link of that particular post you made in the group chat. So I don't know if anybody has any questions so far. Any question? Is there any question? Okay. Actually, this is meant to be a 30-minute section and we are just 7 minutes away. So since there are no questions, I implore you guys to keep on doing what you're doing, keep on the energy. First thing is getting a skill. Just get a skill. If you get a skill, other things will follow. It's better to get prepared and find an opportunity than not getting prepared and the opportunity comes and you find out that you've not even gotten anything. So this is a call to action for every one of you to keep doing what you're doing and also leverage on this bootcamp to better yourself. So without any other questions, I think we'll call this a night. So good night everyone. Good night Angeline, UC, Joshua, everyone that tuned in. So we'll keep talking in the group chat.